how to convert a list to an integer in Python. What you're essentially doing is taking this list of numbers here and treating the numbers like they're all digits. The end goal being, join all of these digits of the list together into a single integer. Joining things together is loads easier to do if you're working with strings, so we will modify this list using the list comprehension to convert every integer to a string. So L equals the list comprehension of convert each x to a string for every given x in the list. Next, we want to join all these strings together into a single string. To do that, we can use the join method. On the empty string, call the join method and pass in L. This means join together every element in L into a single string, and the separator string between elements is the empty string. Now, we just convert the string to an integer. So L equals int of L. Now, we've converted a list to an integer in Python.